Ms.Veena Iyer is a dance movement therapist. She is the founder of HELPTALKS, a search within with the tagline: Move, heal and rediscover yourself.
Welcome to yet another session of Movement with Veena. We have seen till now how movements help in various emotions and help us to heal, and we also have seen how music enhances movements. Music is a very powerful medium. We use in sessions music, instrumental only, for various reasons. Today we will talk about a vulnerability which is found in each of us: anger. Anger and not letting go is a great menace. It has to come out and not linger in our this. Anger is necessary. They are all natural phenomena. Anger sometimes needed for fighting against injustice. But do not let the anger linger. Channelize the anger positively and benefit from movements to release it. Movements is the best form of release. Although there could be many other ways to release anger, like writing in a paper, destroying it, and much more. But nothing is comparable to movement, vigorous movements, which releases the powerful anger and deflates that anger inside us. You all must be wondering what I am carrying here. This is a sponge. This is what we carry. Putting on it every time as our life goes, lots of unexpressed emotions, anger, guilt, self-pity, and many more negative emotions. And it is time to squeeze them off. DMT deals with addressing these self-pity, guilt, and anger and take us towards positivity and calmness. Dance movement therapy, as we have seen in all these 12 sessions, it is a non-verbal session except for instructions or some sounds created by us or rituals created by us. So it is the best way for releasing anger and let go of things, especially for people who cannot verbalize, and even for us. Certain things can never be put in words, which can be expressed through movements. Basically, how can we fly if we are chained? So we have to let go of what has to be. It doesn't mean getting rid. We are just renovating our minds to accommodate calmness, peace, and wellness. In this time of pandemic, we are all in anxiety, fear, as has always been told, and with lot of negativity, and we tend to feel physically weak also, and anger comes out at such times. But it is not good to release it to our loved ones and to spoil the harmonious atmosphere we have created with lots of moments and time. So we have to first center ourselves, find peace within ourselves. This is one such activity which you have to do it on your own, all alone, in a me time. Shall we go ahead to movements, please? We have to find is some fire around, let us throw fire everywhere. Reach the sky. Sitting and your upper body exercises will be done, which will steady you a bit more. By doing these movements, you'll find yourself very calm, very composed to face the day with everything. So spending a me time for 5-10 minutes is not much of an investment for the benefit we get. Thank you.
Help Talks are daily health related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.